I've got a great idea for a software update. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I have an idea that Tesla could implement onto their cars in a software update. This is something that a friend of mine owned a security company that had DVR recordings of cameras, and you could remote into your DVR. You could even watch the cameras live, and I really think that that should be implemented in their cars, where you can just through the app be able to real time look at what's going on through the cameras around your car. That way, if you're parked in a parking garage and you're a ways away from your car, you can see what's going on. Potentially even alerts to let you know, hey, you know, your car was just bumped into or something got real close. Send you a notification and you can look at the recording of it. But I really think that that would be a useful update. It's something that I've been thinking about for a while. Not sure why Tesla doesn't implement it. And there's other things too. Why is it you can get a 360-degree camera on really basic little cars, but not on a high-end Tesla? I mean, there's a lot you can do with these cameras that these cars have that Tesla is not taking advantage of yet. But anyway, the main thing is that thought of being able to view any of the cameras just right through the phone app. That's my idea. That's my thought. What do you guys think about that? I'm sure I can't be the first one that's come up with this idea. So, and I know in the comments section people are going to say, submit the idea to Tesla, and I plan on doing that. But anyway, those are my thoughts for the day. If you guys have any thoughts on this, let me know. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Keep my numbers climbing. The higher the numbers climb, the more I'm capable of doing with this channel for you guys. Also, keep your eyes open. My adjustable Model 3 screen mount kit that I make is I hooked up with a distributor. They will still be available through my normal Shopify page, as they've always been, but I have a large aftermarket retailer that has picked it up and is becoming an exclusive distributor aside from my own Shopify page. So right now they are they've got screen mounts in hand. They're shooting videos for their website. They're getting all of the data set up on their end for resale. I am right now in the process of filling a massive order to them for just a huge number of screen mount kits. So I'm thrilled about that. I appreciate all of you guys that have ordered. If you want to order one, right now they're on a sale. The price is going up to retail and may stay there pretty much permanently once the distributorship agreement is firmed up and they have their inventory in stock, which would be in the next couple of weeks, because we have to keep our pricing structure the same. So it's part of our cooperative agreement. So if you guys want a screen mount kit at a discount, you might want to go to my Shopify page. There'll be a link in the description below, and order one before the price goes up to retail again. Aside from that, I think that is it for today. If you guys have any questions, leave them for me in the comments section below. I also have some stuff coming up about the Mini Cooper Electric. We are coming up on 1,000 miles in that car, and I want to give you guys an update on how it's doing, some of the things we've learned. There's a couple cool party tricks that car has that are neat. I also want to interview my wife on what it's been like for her to daily drive electric at this point in her life. So anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you all, and as always, stay charged. Bye-bye now.